Today we're diving into one of the most exciting face-offs in the camera world, Sony's upcoming A7V versus DJI's highly anticipated debut into the mirrorless camera arena. This unexpected showdown is making waves across the tech landscape, pitting one of the most experienced giants in digital imaging against a company renowned for its innovations in aerial cinematography and action cameras. With Sony's legacy in mirrorless camera technology and DJI's reputation for cutting-edge stabilization and cinematic prowess, this battle isn't just about specs. It's a glimpse into the future of photography and filmmaking. Whether you're a seasoned professional, a hybrid content creator, or someone just getting started, understanding the strengths of each will help you make an informed choice. Let's break it all down in detail. Design, build, image quality, video performance, stabilization, and everything else that matters. Design and build quality. The Sony A7V continues Sony's tradition of crafting reliable, weather-resistant, full-frame mirrorless cameras. The body is constructed from a rugged yet lightweight magnesium alloy, designed for outdoor creators who demand durability without sacrificing portability. Its refined grip and button layout enhance ergonomics, especially for prolonged shooting sessions. Sony has always emphasized user comfort, and this time is no different. Expect enhanced tactile feedback and a more intuitive control setup, suitable for fast-paced environments like events and wildlife shoots. Meanwhile, DJI's first mirrorless camera is rumored to take a more innovative route, possibly integrating technologies derived from its successful drone and gimbal lines. It could be lighter and more compact than traditional mirrorless cameras, catering perfectly to hybrid content creators, travel vloggers, and mobile filmmakers. DJI may leverage its expertise in structural design and stabilization to produce a camera body that is not only tough, but also revolutionary in its aesthetic and functional design. Sensor and image. Quality. Sony's strength lies in sensor innovation. The A7V is expected to carry a next-gen stacked BSI full-frame sensor capable of remarkable dynamic range and low-light prowess. This sensor could offer improved resolution while maintaining stellar high ISO performance, ideal for both studio and real-world environments. Color fidelity and sharpness are key attributes that Sony continually nails, and this time the A7V could push those boundaries even further. Powered by Sony's latest Bionz XR image processor, users can expect lightning-fast readouts, real-time tracking, and enhanced AI-assisted features. Whether it's fast-moving wildlife, street action, or controlled studio portraiture, the A7V should handle it all seamlessly. Autofocus and subject tracking. Sony is the gold standard in autofocus. The A7V will most likely continue the trend with an advanced AI-based phase detection system featuring over 750 focus points across the sensor. Expect industry-best IAF performance for humans, animals, and possibly even birds in flight, with tracking accuracy that's virtually unmatched. Sony's real-time subject tracking, powered by deep learning AI, will lock focus on erratic moving subjects in both photography and video modes. This is crucial for event shooters, sports photographers, and wildlife enthusiasts. Features like touch-to-track, facial recognition, and AI scene detection could create an intuitive experience for creators who favor video work. Though Sony might have the upper hand in photography-centric autofocus, DJI could become a top choice for motion-heavy shooting scenarios. Video features and capabilities. Sony has been pushing the envelope in video, and the A7V is expected to support 8K recording at 30 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS with full sensor readout. This opens up possibilities for ultra-crisp detail and slow-motion magic. Internal 10-bit 4.2.2 recording, S-Log3, and possibly even new gamma curves for enhanced dynamic range make it a dream tool for colorists and post-production professionals. Video. Creators might also benefit from real-time cloud sync, in-camera proxies, or direct upload to editing platforms, reducing post-production friction and speeding up workflows. Stabilization and low-light performance. Sony's 5-axis IBIS is among the best in the industry, and in the A7V we're expecting an upgraded version. Improved gyro algorithms paired with the sensor's enhanced low-light ability will make handheld shooting possible in nearly all lighting conditions. Expect clear images at higher ISOs with refined noise reduction. DJI, however, may take this to a whole new level. By integrating their drone-based mechanical stabilization systems or using miniaturized gimbal modules within the body, DJI could exceed traditional IBIS systems. For video shooters, this might mean buttery smooth motion without post-stabilization or gimbals. Low light will also be a key battleground. Sony's edge in full-frame sensors gives it an obvious advantage, but DJI could implement advanced AI noise suppression and exposure, blending techniques to compete. Their computational prowess might be just as important as hardware specs in delivering clean low-light results. User interface and connectivity. Sony has refined its UI over generations, and the A7V is anticipated to include a redesigned touchscreen menu system that is more intuitive and customizable. Add in advanced Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C 3.2, and you get fast file transfers, tethering, and remote shooting capabilities. DJI is no stranger to user-friendly design. The company's drone apps are known for their streamlined interface and ease of use. If the same UX design language translates to the mirrorless space, users might enjoy features like smartphone-based control, AI-powered auto modes, gesture, recognition, and even live streaming through cloud services. DJI could simplify the shooting process while adding smart automation that saves time and enhances creativity. Battery life and storage. The A7V will most likely feature Sony's well-regarded Z series battery with better thermal management and extended shooting time. Paired with USB-C PD fast charging, it's built for professionals who spend long hours in the field. Dual card slots supporting high-speed formats like CF Express will enable secure, high-capacity shooting. On the other side, DJI's battery systems from drones could inspire modular and swappable battery solutions, potentially offering creators the flexibility to scale their power needs. DJI may also introduce battery optimization modes based on shooting scenarios, conserving power intelligently without compromising performance. Pricing and market positioning. The Sony A7V is likely to land between $2,500 and $3,000, aimed squarely at professionals and high-level enthusiasts. Given its performance, lens ecosystem, and reliability, it's a safe and valuable investment for those who rely on image quality and long-term system support. And that wraps up this deep dive into one of the most intriguing rivalries in tech right now. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more updates on the latest in camera tech and beyond, hit that like button and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to stay on top of the future of technology, only here on Technology in the Future.